Alright, so today we're gonna cook so-called sweet and sour chicken. How to make the sauce. To make our sauce, sweet and sour sauce, we are going to need to add up sugar. Now we're gonna blend it all together. What I would suggest just before we start doing this is to add a tiny bit of water, so to make it smoother. We're going to proceed and add our sauce to the mixture. Now we're going to leave this for around probably 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, let's finish our sauce. What I like to do always is put my sauce in a very deep mixing bowl, add a tiny bit of water more, say this, and then I always blend the whole thing. Just like this. Add up one more. Very nice. And now, hello and welcome back to the presentation process. I'm gonna present it two ways today. First way is gonna be plain with the sauce on top, rice on the bottom. As I already said, I have already pre-cooked egg fried rice, and on this one we're going to leave it on the side like so. Our homemade sweet and sour tomato sauce. Just like so, and you enjoy. Thank you very much for watching.